Here's what's making news on Roadshow. Takata isn't the only airbag company in hot water anymore as NHTSA deepens its investigation into TRW, now a subsidiary of ZF, over reports of 12.3 million potentially defective airbag units. These TRW airbags can be found in vehicles from manufacturers like Fiat Chrysler, Honda, Hyundai, Kia, Mitsubishi, and Toyota. According to NHTSA, the issue with the TRW airbags is that they may not go off when they're supposed to in the event of a crash. Waymo announced back in January that it was looking for a facility in Michigan in which it could set up shop to convert regular road cars into autonomous vehicles. At that time, it wasn't totally clear where in Michigan this was going to happen, but now we know that it will be in the old American Axle plant in Detroit. The whole operation could be up and running as early as mid-2019. UPS has decided to buddy up with Toyota on its Project Portal hydrogen semi-truck program by offering to take on 3 of the trucks for its operations. Toyota is one of the leading developers of hydrogen fuel cell technology, and for Project Portal, it teamed up with Kenworth to make a short-range semi-truck that can be used in and around port areas. The first 10 trucks will see service in Los Angeles starting sometime around the end of 2019. Find more on these stories over at theroadshow.com. We'll talk to you tomorrow.